ticker symbol ETSY. The stock price is currently sitting at $111.75. In case you haven't noticed, Etsy is an online marketplace where people can sell handmade goods. Now, think of it as like arts and crafts. A lot of these people, they can create a lot of things by sewing, knitting, crocheting, to make clothing, to make accessories. So the description of the website is: Etsy engages in the management of an online marketplace. Its technology platform allows sellers to manage and scale their business. The firm offers handmade products such as shoes, clothing, bags, and accessories. It operates through the US and international geographical segments. So yes, they are an online store where people can buy clothes and accessories that are handmade by other people. And look at the key stats: $24 billion market cap. The 52-week ranges are pretty wide, as the low is $29.95 and the high is $141.41. PE ratio is pretty high, just like other tech stocks, at 85.67, and the earnings per share is $1.30. So a lot of this growth in the stock price is attributed to this year, and it makes you wonder why that is. It appears that the pandemic was the catalyst for a lot of this growth that Etsy stock has been seeing, as people are realizing that face masks have become a necessity. So much so that they are also becoming a fashion icon. So according to its Q2 2020 earnings, Etsy had $346 million in global market sales in the face mask category, and 112,000 Etsy sellers sold at least one face mask. So this shows you face masks are selling like hotcakes on Etsy right now. It seems like people are getting bored of the surgical masks and the plain colored masks, such that they are willing to go and get a face mask of a different design, and Etsy happens to be the place to get it. So, matter of fact, let's pull up the website. Okay, so I'm on the Etsy website right now, and the first thing you see is everyday finds. Oh, and lo and behold, you see face masks right here. This shows you that face masks are one of their main selling items, enough so that they showed to you first thing in the homepage. So scrolling down on the website, you see a lot of deals they have, and the website is very has a nice user-friendly design, very easy to navigate. They have a description of the company for the visitors. It's a one-of-a-kind community, supports independent creators, and has a peace of mind with privacy. So if you want to look at other items that they sell, just tap right here, and you can see the everyday finds, jewelry and accessories, clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, art and collectibles, craft supplies and tools. So these are the main categories where you will find a lot of the items being sold on this website. So let's take a look at the face masks, because that's what's giving Etsy a lot of its growth. I mean, take a look at these masks. They come in various designs and colors, enough so that these masks can really show more of your individual style, because if everyone wore surgical masks, it would be pretty lame. I'm speaking in a more of a social standpoint. Like nobody wants to see a plain mask. Well, they do maybe they want to see you wear a mask, but if it's a plain sign, it's not worth complimenting. You know, it's nice having a mask that stands out, and that's what people want. Since masks are becoming the new normal, essentially, with this pandemic, masks are the new normal. And unless we have a vaccine, we're gonna keep wearing these masks for as long as possible. So why not get one with a nice design? And research has shown that the best masks to wear are those with 2 layers of cloth. And a lot of these masks on Etsy are consist of 2 pieces of cloth stitched together. Those 2 layers will be good to protect you from any pathogens. And the best part is they are washable and reusable, so you can use them as many times as possible, unlike surgical masks. So this is why a lot of people are going to Etsy, because this is the place to get a face mask, a nice quality face mask made by an independent creator. Better than buying it from a corporate place, am I right? So going in Yahoo Finance, I want to take a further look at how the stock has been performing. So over the past 5 years, the stock has grown pretty slowly. It was as low as less than $10 in 2016, and went up to as high as in the 60s around 2019. And then the pandemic hit right here, so it felt $31 and then started going up. So here is the 1-year chart. So as you can see here, it was low as 31.69 and then started growing. Boom, as high as 141.41. So this green area here is where you notice the bulk of its growth. And it makes you question, how high can this stock really go? Well, in order to answer that, you shouldn't be looking at the stock price by itself, but you need to look at the market cap of the company, because the market cap will determine the value of the company as well as the value of the shares. And on Yahoo, it's saying that the market cap is 15.15 billion, whereas in Google it was at 13.33 billion. This is as of September 20th. So the numbers could change. So you're getting a lot of different numbers from Yahoo Finance, Google, and Zoya. So I don't think the number in Zoya has been updated. So we're seeing that the market cap is $15 billion. So as an investor, it's really up to you to look into this company further if you want to invest in it, and ask yourself this: will the market cap of this company double, triple? Depending on how successful the company gets over time, if they're getting consistent profits, if they're growing, we may very well see that. Looking at the financials a little deeper, you can see here that the annual revenue of Etsy is going up consistently every year. And the analysts are saying that it's a buy, with the average analyst price targets being $152.53. So if you were to buy this stock now, you could profit over in the short term. Now, I'm not saying that you should add the stock to your portfolio, but I'm just giving you a stock for you to consider. This is a Sharia compliant stock, and it has been seeing good numbers, especially this year. So there may be unlimited upside to this company. Now, I am pretty bullish on Etsy because it just shows you that People want to buy stuff made by other people and not from a corporation. Etsy is one of those companies that's fighting against people constantly buying stuff from corporate places and not supporting their local creators, independent creators. Etsy is that platform for those people. And if you want a mask, definitely look into Etsy to get a nice designed one if you're getting bored of the surgical masks. So, by the way, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment and informative purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy this stock because I'm talking about it. Do your research, and if it aligns with what you want to invest in, by all means, add the stock to your portfolio. This is Investor Shake checking out.